Hello guys, today we're gonna be working again on the 98 Toyota Camry. We're gonna be switching the intake manifold, the actual original one, because as you guys know it was broken and never got fixed by the last owner. So here's what I did, because it was missing a big chunk of the tubing part of it, which it goes connected to the manifold and intake manifold, whatever you want to call it. But I could be wrong. And then I went yesterday to the junkyard. I got some stuff for it. I went before, and got some stuff. Um, I got a different intake manifold for a '99 Toyota Camry. It didn't fit. It literally didn't fit. It was different. Also too, I got the signal lamps that they were missing, because as you guys remember, they were broken. So I got them yesterday at the junkyard. Well, I got this one on Saturday. It fit correctly. This one is the one it didn't fit right, because it was for like a newer model, like a '99, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. I actually got the badge too. It was missing the badge. So here it is. So here's the one I got. Definitely different um, from the one I have. This is literally from like a '99 to 2000 Toyota Camry, and I think the one I got it from it was an XLE, minus LE. So yeah, I got that. So you guys can see minus an LE. The other one I got it from it was an XLE. So way different, and you guys can see the difference right away. It's not like it's obvious it was different. And then I think, let me see. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. I'll show you what I mean in a little bit. So the comparison. So this is definitely different. Definitely different from the original one. It's just a lot of differences. I'm missing, because this one goes like this, something like that, because it has a lot. This part goes on top for the XLG or XLE, and the one I got it from was I think was a 6 cylinder, if I'm not mistaken, and the one I have is a 4 cylinder that goes directly to the four, and it's literally an identical engine and everything. It's just way different, and you guys could see the difference right away. And this is the one I got yesterday. This is actually like the part that goes right here. This, let's say this is the original part. It's right here. The original part is right here. The one I got was right here, and you guys could see the difference. 90, 97, 97 to 98, 99 to 2000. So yeah, there's a lot of differences. This is way different from the one I have, and you can see. Look, I flip it over. It's just different. It's just way too different. It's just not way. It's not gonna work for my car. That's why I couldn't put it on this car. But now, because I have the right one, I'm gonna be able to do it right. So I bought all these yesterday. But these, the the passenger lamp, the two carpets, the intake. I have it right here. I bought it with warranty. You guys can see. So the two floor mats were 13.98 altogether, and then the intake tube was 17.99. The molding. Oh yeah, I bought the molding because it was missing. I forgot about that. Actually, too, the other day, yeah, on Saturday. See, so this is the part I was missing. Um, Saturday that I went, I actually did bought some of the stuff already because I was missing. I have the other receipt. I'll show you guys so you guys can see how much I spent. 17.99 the molding, and then I got the cup holder because I was missing it for $10. And then, like I said, the front lamp again. Then the front lamp was $10. All came out to total to 56.94 with warranties. 1710 all in total came to 78.45. So that's not bad. $78 is not bad for an old car like this one. And then here are the things that I bought the other day. Okay. Uh but the vacuum line because I was missing, two center caps, the E-Tank tube, which is the one I show you, the buckle, which is I replaced yesterday, which is right here. This is what I bought. This is what I bought on Saturday. I replaced it on yesterday. The front lamp. I bought the front lamp. The one I just showed you, it was wrong, because I bought two of them, the driver's side and the passenger side. So the driver's side fit, and the passenger side was different. So I didn't saw it was different until I got home, and I realized, wait a minute, there's something wrong. It didn't fit. And then I looked into the lamp, and I was like 99. So yeah, I got all this stuff. Um, Most of the stuff I got was like I pretty much paid the same price, 79.10 altogether. I mean, for a Toyota, for Toyotas, it's not really expensive. Uh, it's not bad. Uh, let me see. Oh yeah, the cup holder because I'm missing in the back. I'm missing a cup holder in the back, so I gotta put that on. Now I just gotta put it all together. But yeah, I will be selling these maybe an offer up just to go quick, just to make the money back. Cause I mean, I'm not gonna throw it away. It's literally a good part. It's made by, I think it's made by Doorman. Yeah, Doorman. So it's a really really nice part. Oh yeah. So the little vacuum, I got these. I got the reservoir hose that goes directly from the radiator to the reservoir tank, and then if you guys remember in my last video, if you guys recall, you guys remember when I broke this part? Yeah, when I went on Saturday to the junkyard, by luck, I don't know what it was, brand new, literally brand new. It's like maybe weeks old. Took it out. I think they only charged me like $3 for the part. But I mean, I put this car back together. I'm literally the two center carbs that I got, it was for not for this side. Wait, for this side. Yeah. Um, I need to grind them down a little bit so they will fit. Apparently, it's for the same year, but I don't know why they don't fit. So I gotta kind of grind down a little bit of the tabs and just make it fit. Whew. Yeah, pretty much just spent the whole weekend buying parts for this car. We're gonna do what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put an intake on it and then get to work in it, and then you guys will see this in the second video. But thank you. Just yeah, you guys be ready for the second video. Just want to take you for you guys watching my videos and appreciating you guys subscribing too. Makes a lot of difference in the channel. But yeah, this little car is literally becoming a project. Um, uh, Second thing on this car, that it will be replaced. It's gonna be the sunroof motor, the belt ripped. I kind of really dig into it, but I gotta drop the pretty much the whole headliner. I gotta drop the headliner to make it work. Um, kind of dig into it already. Yesterday when I was in the junkyard, I was looking at it and I was like, okay, I gotta see what I gotta do. And I was like, okay, I gotta drop the whole headliner, get to the belt, and make sure the motor works. Because it works, it has power, but it just will not go up or down. But because we had like 3 days of rain, I had to put tape. This tape was already on. I already put it, but this one, the clear one, I had to put it on because the water was kind of going through. Um, but yeah, pretty much I got everything done right now that I needed for this car, especially the lamps. They were broken. If you guys remember, they were really broken. I'm not even lying. They were literally broken. Um, I got the intake tube, got the replacement here. I'm just trying to record it, but you guys will see it in the second part.